Here's the Tikiman that just came off the printer. We're going to try some new techniques. I've been searching around the web. I haven't seen it, but we're going to try and mix some stains, just regular wood stain with some paint, and we're going to try and get it look like what the original Tikiman looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, we're going to start off with some stain. I'm just going to smear it on in some areas. Try and not leave too many high spots. Probably mix 2 or 3 different stains in. I don't know if any of this is going to work or not. Might just ruined a brand new print, but we shall see. Alright, so this is the first coat. Just finishing up. Put some in his mouth. We'll let it sit a minute or two. We'll wipe it down. The nice thing is the plastic actually gives it a grain looking feature. So we'll be back with another coat. Alright, put a coat on. I can't even pronounce it. It's like a dark brown. This one here is black. It's an ebony. I'm just going to dab it in some areas. Kind of just let it flow by itself. And between the coats I just took a rag and wiped it down a little bit. Hopefully this will work. I don't know. First time trying it. Might just be a waste of everybody's time watching this, but at least you'll know not to do it if it doesn't work. Just going to apply a little heat. Try to get it dry up a little bit. Well, my phone died yesterday, so I'm just going to go through the steps. So I applied some stain, multiple layers. In between the layers, used a heat gun to just dry it a little bit. Went over in the mouth area, put some white paint in, let it all blend together. Then I went over the outsides with some red paint, put some more stain on it. I let it sit overnight. It's pretty well. My hands are dirty. Here, let's see. It's pretty well dry to the touch. And there's the comparison. I think they came out pretty well. So I don't know if anybody else has tried applying stain to your parts, but it does work. Thanks for watching.